Today's word is speculate. It means to form a theory or conjecture about a subject without firm evidence. To invest in stocks, property, or other ventures in the hope of financial gain but with the risk of loss. Here are two examples using this word. Reporters can only speculate about the cause of the accident until the official report is released. He decided to speculate in the cryptocurrency market, hoping for a large return on his investment. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are theorize, conjecture, guess. Antonyms are know, prove, demonstrate. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.